Hello everyone, today we are going to be taking a look at 293 Autumn Trail located in Lighthouse Pointe in Port Orange, Florida. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home. Stepping inside here, is your kitchen area, stainless steel appliances. Nice LVP flooring throughout the living room area. Right out here to your Florida room. And right down here to the left is your first bathroom. The full-size tub. Right through here is your first bedroom. Back down the house here would be your master bedroom. Closet. Right into your master bath. So come on down, check it out. It is 293 Autumn Trail, located in Lighthouse Pointe in Port Orange, Florida.